Hey guys, okay, so we got back yesterday from California, working with the instructor. This is some of the equipment that I purchased. I just want you to kind of understand what the pieces are, what the components are. What he set me up with was, because I'm going to be riding in light wind, a lot of light winds. San Diego, Arizona, the lakes up here, sometimes they get over, 8 miles an hour, 8 to 10. This is a light wind setup. So this is a 165 carbon fiber board. So it's really super light, but you'll notice how big it is, how wide it is. I'm a beginner, so the wider the board, the easier it is, from what I understand, to get up on it and plane. So makes it a little easier, but they have smaller boards. As you get more experience, you can go ahead, downsize to boards that you can travel with. You can take them on a plane. This is so messed up. It doesn't come like this. You have to put all of this together. But I think I did everything backwards. Now that I put it together and I looked at it, these rails, these fins are on this side, which I assume is for putting your weight on this side. I have to look it up. I'll look at another YouTube video for that. Or I'll make a call to my instructor. But I think these are backwards. I think I have to switch them this way. So, it's live and learn, right? We don't have all the answers. But, so that's there. The kite, it's a liquid force 12-meter kite. So I was practicing on the beach with a 9-meter kite. This is a 12-meter kite. You can see it has 5 struts in here. If you come around the side, you can see that it's got 5 struts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All inflatable with the liquid force pump. You fill this up. It's a one-way valve. So this one-way valve, you unscrew it, screw your pump fitting on, pump. Right now, he told me to set it to like 6 to 7 pounds on the gauge of pressure, and let it sit, let it stretch out, but it should be about 8 pounds. You can see it's a big kite. What else did we get? We got these liquid force, what they call mission control handles. Shoot. This is what I was using too, practicing with. But this is obviously the harness. I got the full seat harness. So this way it doesn't seem to ride up on me. It felt pretty comfortable. I'll get into all the gear, onto all the parts once I get this all on, get reset up. I'll show you how to set this up, how to connect everything. But this, I guess I call it a chicken neck. Goes right back on here, and this which fastens to you, and this is an emergency, basically an ejection system. Things go wrong, things start going nuts, pop that, it releases from you, so you don't get into worse trouble. But I'll go through all of that, how we set that up later on. These are, like I said, this is how you control the flight, how you control the kite, connecting to the different bridles, connecting to these different lines. This is a 600-pound test line, from what I understand, and this stuff will hurt you. So the instructor, John, and I'll mention him down in the comment section below. I'll link to his site for those that want to get additional training. He was really focused on a whole lot of safety up front, really understanding that this stuff will cut through you. This stuff will pull off your finger if you get wrapped up in it. So we're responsible for the kite. We're responsible to make sure people are safe that are around us. And always looking out for power lines, telephone poles, people, that kind of thing. Ride to your own ability is the bottom line. And always be conscious of others that are around you. All this stuff, the pump, mission control bars, that all fits in this really cool backpack. I thought this was pretty slick. The kite folds up. All goes right into this nice backpack that they give you here. There's a separate attachments on the side that you can mount your pump to. On the other side, you can strap your mission control bars on that side. So that's kind of neat having it all condensed. I'm going to go ahead and break this all down. And our next video, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take you out to an open field. I'll show you how to connect everything up. It'll be a nice refresher for me, so happy to share. And if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and put them in the comment section. And let me know what you want to see, or if I need to recover something, or if I said something wrong. Hey, this is new for me. I'll correct it. But until then, I'm going to pack up.